This beautiful rainbow glitter brush contains two different types of brushes, a regular glitter brush like this, and also a smeary version that creates a different effect that looks like that. So how do you get this installed? Once you download and unzip the file, you will find three things inside. You've got the glitter sample source file right here, a practice file set up so you can just start painting right away, and also the brushes themselves in this .abr file. So to install them, you can double click on the .abr file. That should automatically load it into Photoshop. If for some reason that doesn't happen, from within Photoshop, if you go to your brushes panel and you click the panel menu, you can click import brushes and then navigate to that ABR file and you can install it into Photoshop this way. Once you get them installed, you'll see the two different brushes, the regular rainbow glitter brush and the rainbow glitter smeary brush, and you'll be ready to paint. If you want to, you can use this practice file that I've created with a nice black background, and you can start painting right away on this layer right here. You'll notice that this is not a regular paintbrush, it is the mixer brush tool. And one thing I just want to point out with either of these brushes is that if you change the size from the default that's included in the brush, you'll see that the color drops out right here. Now it's not doing it here for me because I've already sampled the source file, but for you at home, once you start painting, if you change the size, it's gonna lose the glittery sample. So all you need to do is go to this included file, and with your brush in there, your glitter brush cursor in there, you're gonna just hold down Alt on a PC or Option on a Mac and then click to sample this glitter, and then you'll be able to paint again with either of the brushes in any size you choose. So that's it. I hope you have fun and enjoy your new glitter brushes.